So why take our training? Well, that's because strong communication skills are vital for professional success. Our training provides the insights and the tools for lasting improvement to your communication skills. With commanding presence, you'll learn to manage anxiety, organize your thoughts, and deliver messages that are memorable and persuasive. Our workshops are tailored to the needs of your team at no extra cost. And each workshop includes lots of personalized training in a group setting. Your presentations will be recorded and you'll get immediate feedback, and there will be tailored exercises to meet your specific needs. You will leave having the confidence, the tools, and the skills to excel in presentations, meetings, and day-to-day interactions. So why not join us? Come unlock your full potential as a communicator.